Hey there, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this lecture of animal poison, we will discuss about the common features of some of the poisonous snakes. First, we will discuss about common cobra along with banded karat. We will have these three lectures which will cover all the poisonous snakes that are important for your curriculum. To begin with, let us have a look at the common characteristics feature or the poisonous characteristics of common cobra. Its zoological name is naza and commonly it is called nag, cobra or common cobra. Some of the look, this is how the snakes look like. Common cobras are mostly brown or black in color, whereas their head contains some sheet-like structure. The third supralabia often touches eyes and nose. Here are some of the supralabias, whereas this is the third supralabia that touches the eye along with the nose, as you can have a look at this diagram. Fine. And the shape of pupil is round. It is neither oval nor triangular nor similar to like that of the somewhat similar like that of the human beings. Now what are the fangs? This portion is termed as fangs. These are the fangs of snakes. In case of cobra, these fangs are short, they are grooved, and somewhat they are situated anteriorly. Then tail is mostly cylindrical in shape. Look at this diagram. Tail of cobra is cylindrical and caudal snakes are often divided into double or most look, these are the double caudal snakes, somewhat like this. Their venom is neurotoxic, means it is harmful for the nervous system. Here are some most important points and hence I have put them inside a box. Cobra is commonly native of Indian subcontinent and along with our nation India it is also found in Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh along with southern portion of Nepal. In India it might not be present in Kashmir and some part of Assam as well. It is often absent in high altitude region like 2000 kilometers, which is equal to 6600 feet, and some extremely desert region. Now, next thing that we will be talking about is banded karat. Banded karat is also one of the most poisonous snakes known so far. Its zoological name is Bungarus fascicatus and commonly it is known as banded karat. It was first described by scientist Edward Blair in 1861. This year might not be very useful for you. Then the banded karat had 15 rows of dorsal snakes at its mid-body. These are the dorsal snakes, the dorsal scales that are present in the mid-body. Some most commonly known facts about the banded karat are written here. The species is found throughout the region of Taiwan, including archipelagos of Masters and Kenman, Hong Kong, Myanmar, that is also Burma, and northern Vietnam along with Laos. It is also found in some region of Thailand. Now, some of the common features that are described here which could help you to identify a banded karat. It has inverted V shape marked on its head. Now, this is basically a normal V shape and this is a inverted V shape. It has some broad black and yellow bands that encircle the entire body of the snake. Now look at this diagram. Here you can have a look at the bands. See, these are the dark bands, black band and yellow band. This black and yellow band are present throughout the body of the snake. It is one of the most common distinguishing and unique feature, I should say, of a banded karat. It might not be observed in other category of the snake, so it will help you to distinguish between a banded karat and a normal snake, which is why it has derived its name from banded, means it contains numerous bands throughout its body, which is why it is termed as a banded. Then karat, it is a species of karat snake, and we will learn about common karat as well. Then on cross section the bends are triangular in shape. Isn't it tricky? You would probably see that there are numerous circles present in its body, but when the cross section of the snake is observed, these circles are often triangular in shape. Now, as for the habitat, they are extremely shy in nature. I mean, similar to your mentor, similar to me. They bask near water bodies, usually in morning hours. They are mostly shy in nature. Venom is neurotoxic as usual, similar like that of the common cobra. This is a similarity between lots and lots of snakes. All of them have a common characteristic property, that is their venom is often neurotoxic. Not every snake. Some snake may have their venom which is myotoxin in nature. So we will read about them, we will discuss about each one of them. In upcoming lecture we will have a look at the common krait along with saw scale viper, their characteristics, their distinguishing characteristics, and how poisonous they are for mankind. Thank you so much and keep watching the lecture.